What's up YouTube? My name is Rohit and I come back with another video. So in today's video, we will see the factorial of any inputted number using while loop in CPP. So I will open my C++ in which I create a new file with the help of control, and after that we will include our header file, that is hash include hash include in angular brackets IO stream. Alright, IO stream. Okay, now we will use a line called using namespace std, namespace standard, that is std. We will end this line with the help of semicolon. After that we will declare a return type, that is int main round brackets. We will add graces, in which what we will do, we will return 0. Alright, return 0. Okay, so what we will do, we will use a data type called int, in which I make some variable like I, and I will initialize I with 1, I for looping, and I will take another variable called no and momo ans. We will initialize ans equals to 1. We will end this line with the help of a semicolon. After that what we will do, we will print a message on the screen using cout, in quotation enter the number. Alright, we will end this line with the help of a semicolon. After that we will transfer the value which is inputted by user to the variable no using cin. We will end this line with the help of semicolon. After that we will use a keyword called while, in which we will give the condition that I is less than equals to no. Okay, we will add two graces, that is the body of a while loop, in which what we will do, we will do ans equals to ans into I. Okay, we will end this line with the help of semicolon. After that what we will do, we will do the increment of I, that is I plus plus. After that we will print the value of ans. So cout, in quotation, the factorial is जो भी हमारा ans के अंदर है. Alright, we will end this line with the help of semicolon. Let's save the program with the help of function f11. I will give the name to the file called fact and hit enter. So you can see, okay, there is one more error. Okay, so I use here a semicolon, I have to use here a comma. Let's run the program one more time. Compile now. Okay, so हमें यहाँ पे no यूज़ करना था, ना कि n0. Okay, no. Let's run the program. So you can see the message on the screen, enter the number. Okay, so I will enter 5 and hit enter. So you can see the factorial of 5 is 120. I hope you understand this program. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Till then, peace out.